Engaging in woodworking projects as a business offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere profit. This endeavor combines creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurship, allowing individuals to transform their passion for woodworking into a viable source of income. The advantages of pursuing woodworking as a business encompass personal fulfillment, skill development, sustainability, and the potential for community engagement, creating a rewarding experience that enriches both the artisan and their surroundings. One of the most significant benefits of starting a woodworking business is the opportunity for creative expression. Woodworking is an art form that allows individuals to bring their visions to life through the manipulation of materials. Each project becomes a canvas for creativity, enabling artisans to explore various designs, techniques, and styles. This freedom to create can be immensely satisfying, as woodworkers take pride in producing unique pieces that reflect their personal tastes and artistic sensibilities. The ability to transform raw wood into functional and beautiful items fosters a deep connection to the craft, enhancing overall enjoyment and fulfillment. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative woodworking project ideas for a new look. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Establishing a woodworking business can lead to significant personal and professional growth. As artisans engage in their craft, they continuously develop and refine their skills. The process of creating projects requires problem solving, critical thinking, and technical proficiency. Over time, individuals become more adept at various woodworking techniques, from joinery to finishing, enhancing their craftsmanship. This ongoing learning journey boosts confidence and empowers artisans to tackle more ambitious projects, expanding their repertoire and marketability. The entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking also presents valuable opportunities for financial independence. By turning a passion into a business, individuals can create a source of income that aligns with their interests and values. The flexibility of woodworking allows artisans to set their own prices, choose their projects, and determine their schedules. This autonomy can lead to a fulfilling career path, providing individuals with the freedom to pursue their dreams while generating income. The potential for financial success can be a motivating factor, encouraging artisans to invest time and effort into growing their businesses. Additionally, woodworking as a business can foster a sense of community engagement. Many artisans find themselves part of a vibrant network of fellow woodworkers, designers, and enthusiasts. Engaging with this community provides opportunities for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and support. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, or woodworking groups allows artisans to showcase their work, connect with potential customers, and gain exposure in the market. This sense of camaraderie enriches the woodworking experience, providing motivation and inspiration as individuals navigate their craft. The emotional and psychological benefits of engaging in woodworking projects should not be overlooked. The act of creating with one's hands can be therapeutic, offering a welcome escape from the stresses of daily life. Many woodworkers find solace in the rhythmic nature of the craft, where the focus on the task at hand allows for a temporary reprieve from external pressures. This meditative quality of woodworking can enhance mental well-being, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. The satisfaction derived from completing a project serves as a reminder of one's capabilities and creativity, reinforcing self-esteem and confidence. Moreover, woodworking projects can lead to meaningful connections with customers. When artisans create unique pieces, they often establish relationships with individuals who appreciate their craftsmanship. This connection can enhance the overall experience of running a woodworking business, as artisans engage with customers who share their passion for quality and creativity. The ability to tell stories about the materials, designs, and processes behind each piece fosters a sense of authenticity that resonates with buyers. This emotional connection can lead to repeat business and referrals, contributing to the long-term success of the woodworking enterprise. The potential for creating custom or personalized items adds another layer of appeal to woodworking as a business. Many consumers are drawn to bespoke pieces that reflect their individual tastes and needs. By offering customization options, artisans can cater to a diverse clientele, enhancing their market reach. This ability to create tailored pieces allows woodworkers to differentiate themselves from competitors, establishing a reputation for quality and craftsmanship. The satisfaction of delivering a unique product that meets a customer's specific requirements can be immensely rewarding, further strengthening the artisan's connection to their work. Additionally, woodworking businesses can serve as platforms for education and mentorship. Many artisans find fulfillment in sharing their skills and knowledge with others. Offering workshops, classes, or online tutorials allows woodworkers to inspire aspiring craftsmen and foster a sense of community. This transfer of skills not only enriches the woodworking community, but also reinforces the value of craftsmanship. By teaching others, artisans contribute to the preservation of traditional woodworking techniques and inspire future generations to explore the craft. The financial advantages of running a woodworking business extend beyond immediate profit. High-quality, handcrafted items often command higher prices compared to mass-produced alternatives. Consumers are increasingly willing to invest in unique, well-crafted pieces that reflect their values and aesthetics. This trend allows artisans to position themselves as creators of premium products, enhancing their profitability. Additionally, the ability to diversify offerings, such as furniture, decor, and custom projects, can create multiple income streams, contributing to the overall financial health of the business. As artisans establish their woodworking businesses, the opportunity for branding and marketing arises. Developing a unique brand identity allows woodworkers to differentiate themselves in a competitive market. By crafting a compelling narrative around their products and processes, artisans can attract a loyal customer base. This branding extends to social media, where artisans can showcase their work, share their creative journeys, and engage with potential customers. The online presence can amplify visibility and reach, enabling artisans to connect with a broader audience and increase sales potential. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked creative woodworking project ideas for a new look. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.